Personal hygiene and washing of hands with soap under running water is critical in the fight against the coronavirus. But just how many persons can afford basic hand washing facilities? A global data from UNICEF reveals that 3 out of 8 persons lack access to such facilities. It is good to see a non-governmental organization partners the Enugu State Government to provide some as a preventive measure against the virus. Bamidele Ajayi completes this report.
In sub-Saharan Africa, 63% of the people in urban areas, or 258 million of people, lack access to hand-washing facilities. A genuine need this group want to meet in partnership with Enugu State Government to stop the spread of coronavirus.
So it is my honor, to the glory of God and for the people of Enugu State, for the health of people of Enugu State, as we declare that Enugu State is in the hands of God.
The World Health Organization advises that constant washing of hands under running water with soap will reduce the spread of the scourge.
For the WHO and all major health organizations have been iterating that hand washing is one of the major ways to stop the spread of COVID-19. So that culture of hand washing is not so prevalent in Nigeria. So we're trying to ensure that it becomes something inbuilt.
The group emphasizes on the importance of personal hygiene.
We're also supporting the states also. This will be myself and the commissioner in some other areas, commissioner of health in some other areas, and if that works out well, that'll be one of the areas that we'll be supporting the states in. But basically, we are here to ensure that anything that we can get from donors for the states, we will try and do so. We are constantly writing and asking donors to support Enugu State and basically the states in the southeast with COVID-19.
This is the first thing that you do when you come into a place, and we are happy that this was placed here, and we must maintain that this facility is used and put to optimal usage.
The Commissioner for Health commends the initiative with the Council to imbibe and promote the culture of washing hands.
It is a very worthy contribution to the COVID-19 efforts. It is well appreciated, and we call on other well-meaning organizations to emulate the efforts that South Sahara is making to make such services available.
His Excellency, the Governor of Enugu State, has made water sanitation and hygiene work his priority even before the outbreak of COVID-19 by establishing the Inter-Ministerial Committee for the implementation of wash activities in the state.
As it's been announced to engage in washing of hands in a running water, devoid of contact of the previous users, could be some of those basic rules that should be adopted in the effort to reduce the spread of COVID-19 across the globe. The group present the contactless hand washing machines to each of the 4 isolation centers with 6 major markets in the states. Bamidele Ajayi, TVC News, Enugu.